Today I'm saying goodbye to my Ring doorbell, not because of the privacy controversy that there been on the news, but because this is the only Ring device that I have in my house, and the yearly fee that they charge has become too much. I think it was like $50 a year. So I decided to replace it with the Nest battery doorbell, which is what most of my other house automation is based on. Mostly security cameras and the thermostat. I'm not gonna be able to use the. I need a longer screwdriver. Yeah, we have a solar panel here. There we go. This time I'm gonna set the new doorbell a little bit lower than the Ring because this one has a higher field of view. Mission accomplished. I'm not a very handy person, but installing the doorbell battery. This is the Nest doorbell battery. Works pretty good. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.